Alright, so today is our rainy day in Tuscany.
Got my rain jacket.
Oh yeah, I gotta grab mine. Good reminder. So we're gonna go and check out Ferrari or Ferrari and Lamborghini. And are we going to Modena?
We're going to Modena. We're going to try out some balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, we had some balsamic last night and it was really good here. So we're gonna go do a balsamic tasting in Modena or Modena. Not really sure how they pronounce it. As you can tell, we're not very good at this whole Italian thing yet, even though we've been here for...
Only like 3 days.
Okay, we have time to learn. So you'll probably see some inset clips of us at said places. And yeah, rainy day, gotta make the most of it somehow. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, Jenny, where are we? You've been waiting your whole life for this. Alright, let's go check it out. I'm following you. Jenny says she likes the purple one. Let's go take a look. Is that purple enough for you? The Lamborghini off-road vehicle that never came to fruition. Yeah, that thing's really cool. I think it's like a Spada or something like that. Yeah. That was supposed to be their family touring car. The coolest station wagon you will ever see. I mean, how much more Italian can you get? Gold Lamborghini. And then the Batmobile. Look at that dashboard. Jenny, this is like the real life Batmobile. It's like the real life Batmobile. Do you want one? Oh my god, everyone on YouTube is gonna. I can't wait for the comments. You should stop saying that looks like a Ferrari in here, I think. I can't take her anywhere. I was gonna buy you one in the gift shop, but after all that...
So much less pretentious than Ferrari, though.
Yeah, the lighting is like, eh. Ferrari was like perfectly lit.
Oh, also here it's like you can go right up to the cars.
Yeah. You can't go in it though. Alright, I'm following you. Did you learn the history of Lamborghini?
That truck is 1986 to 1992.
Yeah, I know. The LM1. I think that's what it was called. Extreme lightweight. I'm not extremely lightweight after this trip. This is where all the crazy stuff is. Do you want that one instead? Okay. I'll get you one in the gift shop on the way out. Lamborghini SUV. Everything that's wrong with this world. That's more like it. Matte orange. Jenny's gonna like that one a lot. She's gonna like this one too. Let's see what Jenny thought. I think I found the one you're gonna like the most. It's all the way at the end. It's very orange. I feel like that's all you. Orange, gold wheels. Yeah, it's matte orange. You don't like it? Yeah, I do feel like they should have some of the doors open. I mean, that is what Lamborghinis are known for after all, right? Scissor doors. Yeah. Can't have everything. I thought you would like this one too because of the color.
I do. This is a really pretty color.
Is that like your favorite color in here?
I mean, the green is pretty awesome too.
Yeah. I figured you would like the green one, the orange one, and the blue one.
I'd like it better if it was shiny though.
Oh, I'm sorry. I couldn't find you a shiny one. I feel like they should let you sit in that one. It's not even finished.
I know.
They forgot to build the whole thing. Lamborghini. All right. Well, that was Lamborghini. Transition us. Bye.
Let's go right and direction.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Just now, no touch, just automatic.
Oh, okay.
Just
Automatic.
sit and braking
Gotcha.
accelerator.
Okay.
Let's go right.
You can stop taping and let's go upstairs.
I'm not taping. This is digital. Works every time.